works my hand, flip up, land them on their hat. You guys can clap your hands and we can start the show. Ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3.
Eso es.
Up in the air, over like.
Oh.
Get that before they see it. Before they see it. Down at the ball. Let's try it again. S-O.
S.
That's okay. I'm here till what? 5 o'clock. You're making me nervous. You're staring at me. Too much pressure. Close your eyes. Close your eyes so you're not staring at me. S-O. I have these. What are these?
Minu ball.
They are balls. What color are they? How many are there in this column? 1, 2, 3. Look what happened. I just about dropped that one, didn't I?
Yeah.
Just about. So what? Get that before they see it. Put that right. Get that. You help. Got that? Put that right here. Let's give a big round. What are these 3 white balls used for? Very good. How many people are here? Put up their hands, please. No, oh, no. Your clean hands. That's better. That one's better. How many people have seen juggling before? I am very sorry, my friends. I was going to juggle. These kids have seen it. They don't want to see it, buddy. They're trying to juggle, do they? And help me out. See, go. And the mark is set. Oh, look at that. What? Is that better? How's this? Whoa. Hey, look at this. Hey, how's that? Oh, yeah, how's this? That's the pitch. Everybody say, quit clowning around, buddy. Here's what I'm going to do. I'll take the 3 balls, put them onto my leg, throw them up in the air, and go like this high in the air. When they come down, I will catch them and juggle with them before they come crashing down and bump me on the head. So how many people want to see me catch them and juggle? Go, yeah!